So finally, the freaking server starts running. So everything's all lovely, great, God, wonderful. But no, everything has to go wrong when I start the freaking website. So here it is. I'm gonna go into the Antrix thing. Oh, wrong one. Where is my Antrix? Oh, there it is. So I'm gonna class website and go Apache 2.2 daemon is starting. Stop Apache. Please close this window. I'm like, oh great, it's working. So I'm gonna go into my lovely website and type in localhost. Ah, it works, right? Wait. Here's the fun part. So I'm gonna type in wow, please, which is kind of like my other thing. So I'm gonna click on this. This is gonna be like the private one, and it works fine. So let's try and get a friend there. Yo, can somebody join the server real quick? Oh, not the server, the website. No, the website. It's wownow.gamehost.org, that one. Okay, so right now I'm having a friend on TeamSpeak join the server, right? Let's see if he can join. It's wownow.game-host.org. It's the same IP as server. So do note that I can join right here, so I can go, wow, now, I just told him the IP. And it works. But no, my friend can't join. That's the the whole point of the website is so other people can, sign on right here. But yeah, that doesn't seem to work. And I mean, everything works right here. Oh, it's not working? I'm looking at it right now. I'm trying to make a video of it, see what others think. But fuck, dude. I don't even know why it's not working. So there's the fun part. See, the server is up. Woot. Server's up. And the website's up. But apparently my friends can't join. So there goes the whole point of the freaking website. Any help would be really appreciated. Thank you.